What's the odds we sink this cocksucker today? What's the odds we sink it today? I feel like I'm on like one of them speedboats getting splashed in the face. Is that what happened with yours? Really? I ain't gonna be able to hear nothing. See that over there? This is sick. Aw, dude, we can get under that bridge. You need it?
I don't know what it is. It doesn't feel that big. Pretty sure it's a fish though. Oh yeah, it's a fish. Little walleye.
Little Walter guy.
Look at that.
Yes,
So
sir.
long. Head towards where we want to be.
They love that perch stuff, dude.
Yeah, they do. Only little mouth there. I don't want to touch it in his mouth.
They have really sharp teeth.
Yep, Bennett says they have really sharp teeth. We're just using this nice little.
Fat little walleye though for his size. He's nice and fat. They're eating good.
Look at those teeth. You guys don't want to get that.
Yeah.
Don't lift these guys.
Little dinky guy.
All right, we're gonna get the release. Peace.
I don't know what it
Why
is.
are you having so much fish?
Still on there?
Why are you having so much fish?
Ah,
What
Is
is?
that smallmouth?
that's smallmouth.
That's a tiny. Yeah.
They look funny when they're real small.
Yeah, they
Real
do. They don't
light
even
color,
look.
but you can still see those lines and stuff. Small, real pretty. Go ahead. Cal's gonna be out here trolling all the time now.
I'm looking right all the time.
This is sweet. I just drive around.
Oh, dude. Down there. Looks like from like grub or something.
Yep. He just ate something.
Get some grub down there. Josh just caught that. He handed me this pole we were driving.
Yep, I think maybe.
All right, time for the release. Just trolling along when we got to our spot. So trolling's been the deal today, folks. Josh caught a walleye and a smallmouth. He handed me the pole on the smallmouth because we were about to flip the damn boat if we didn't drive it right. So we got a little focused on the trolling part. So what are you throwing, Josh? Walmart special. Is it top water till you crank it? Yeah. So he's using a crankbait, perch looking guy, and he hammered the walleye off of it, trolling to the spot, and the smallmouth. Is Bennett using that purple one? Bennett's using a purple jerk bait. course, I'm gonna use my cracking call. Windy as hell, you guys probably can't hear a damn thing I'm fucking saying. Well, let's see.
It's just a straight for 3 will work. Just got another one.
Did you?
Yep.
You got one?
Pretty sure there's fish on here. Oh yeah. Nice little rock bass.
Look at that, rock bass.
You like that Walmart special?
Crankbait it is. I'm going crankbait. Hey, me that box under your feet. Yes, please. Thank you.
Hey, complaining about fishing doesn't catch any fish.
Amen.
Oh, something a little similar.
Similar. Means I really haven't caught a fish. Just 'cause there's no way that counts. I'm going shore though. Well, Josh is truly winning today.
It actually calmed
We
down.
call Bennett. What's he, the Walter? Bennett's the walleye master. You guys are not new to the channel. You know what you guys been watching. The same creek we did the catch and cook in. He caught a walleye out of there. You got one? Caught a walleye out of there. And he caught a nice, what was it? How big? 23 inches, 23 incher out of the lake, so was it 4.6 pounds? It's a beast.
Coming through there, you just got it irritated.
Dude, he has one. Good job, Bennett. You didn't even say anything, dude.
Rock bass.
Let's say I saw you pull your line going way under the boat. There's no way you don't have a fish.
You know what I noticed? We weren't complaining the last 2 minutes. And all of a sudden, you got a fish. If you don't complain, just catch fish. Just fish. You'll catch fish.
I was watching his line. He's like cranking it. I'm like that lure moves fast and like has a weird action to it. I'm like, looking. I see his line start going in the boat. Dude, nice. See, dude, this is what happens. You just gotta stay focused. It's called fishing. It's called fishing. It's called fishing, dude.
There you go, man.
Here you go, bud. Set her back in. Good job. Nice one, dude.
Hey, it's 4. Starting to catch.
Hooked up. Dude, the Rock Bass Central. Let's go back.
Let's draw it again. Alright, you want to anchor down since we just caught him right here? So we get a chance. These are giant whole weed pads.
Nice little rock bass on the crankbait, so we're out. See you, dude.
I just want to feel it. I'm not trying to feel it.
So the plan is we're gonna turn the boat around and troll back that way and go out a little deeper, because it seems like the trolling has been a huge factor of catching fish today. So why not keep trying it? Bennett, do you agree to keep trolling? Bennett's approval. Josh is definitely an approval. So we're gonna keep trolling. Just switch up Bennett's bait. What Bennett got?
Little bomber crawfish.
Bennett's using the bomber crawfish. We're using the perch crankbait still, and we're gonna keep zooming back and forth because, like I said, it's been the key to the bite today. The wind has actually stopped a lot, and wow, dude, the sky has opened up.
It's supposed to like 5 o'clock. Supposed to clean right now.
It's not 5 yet. Maybe.
No.
Yeah, dude, this is the spot where you caught that nice lake trout.
All different kinds of
During ice fishing season.
lake rainbows around.
A lot of you guys might ask why I have Josh driving my boat. I'm a bigger guy, so it just makes sense for me to equal out the weight back here, for sure. And he knows a lot of the good spots, so I'm going to let him drive all the time if we're out here. Again, for my weight back here, makes sense. Because
Daddy, I got that.
nice smallmouth.
Daddy, my hook got
Riding away, yeah, boys. Yep. Oop, do a big one. Oh yeah. Maybe. Oh yeah, it's fighting back. Oh, not a big one at all. It felt like I said, it's just when you're trolling.
What you got? What you got? What you got?
Pike?
Real nice pickerel.
Holy crap, look at that pickerel, guys. Dude, he's barely hooked in there too. Look, I can't believe those hooks stayed. Sick. You can go ahead. You got that?
Yep. What do you got? 22 and change.
22 and change. It's all up to you, man, if you want it or not. Alright guys, nice pickerel. Trolling again. We're going to get her back a little bleeding just from the hook set. Nothing serious. See you, dude. Thanks for coming to play. Out. Trolling game strong. Heck yes. So I guess I wasn't really lying. It was pretty big. The way it fought, they fight pretty soon. Nice. That's probably like the biggest pickerel I've ever caught, honestly.
Yeah, no, it's a good one.
It's as big as that 6-pound bass. Honestly, if you think about it.
Yeah.
Sick. I was just holding it like bang. I'm like, oh, that's a big one. I'll get out early. Frig, like, not really early. It was almost 10 hours day, if not more. I forget. No, almost 4:30. 1:30 I got out. That's pretty much. So, oh, that's a big. Oh yeah, that's definitely a fish. Fighting. Right out in front of you. Oh, that was easy release. Yes, sir. Yeah, slimy, the slimy guys.